Hi everybody, my name is Shannon, and I am behind the scenes of Hot Mess Crafting. My mother and my husband said I should do this video. They feel like people should see some of what I go through, but still get my videos out. This is kind of hard to talk about and do, but I'm going to do it because it might help others who are going through similar situations. Encourage them to, if they want to be YouTubers, you know, follow their dream for that. I'm about to flip it around and I'm going to show you my little dining craft, which is my dining room / craft room. So, this is all unfiltered. I look a hot mess. It's been a long day, so bear with me. So I'm going to show you my little stuff a little bit. This is not fabulous. It's not completely organized, but it works for me, right? Do what works for you. So here we go. So here's my little shelf. We have my Rust-Oleum glitter. We got our chalk paint, my homemade Mod Podge, acrylic paints. Then we got spray paints. We got glue. I love paint, I swear. As you can see. But a lot of this, don't think I'm sitting here just spinning crazy. A lot of this, my grandma sent me. All the acrylic paint came from her. She used to own her own craft store. So she's been kind enough to send me stuff here and there. Chalk paint I did purchase, but over time. Okay? So, my little dudes, they're so cute. These came from Dollar Tree and I painted them. I got this from another crafty friend, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm absolutely in love with it, and the flowers that she used. This is my grandma and grandpa's shelf. They're both gone, sadly. That's my grandma's ashes. Every season or holiday, I decorate that for them. See, look at this mess. We got scissors and pliers and paintbrushes, all scrapbooking paper. I started my crafting journey actually doing paper crafting. And then it kind of evolved into a lot more. That's a picture I redid. My Grinch I did. We got some, this is from the Little Birdie website. I haven't bought from them in a long time, but it's actually, if I say a lot, I'm sorry. It's reasonable prices there. But I haven't been on in a while, but I got that from them. See, it's called Little Birdie. So if you're a paper crafter, you might like that website. We got paint markers, all these little letters. Oh, that's my kiddos. You got it from Santa. I got from a thrift store. So, yeah. I try to shop smart. So, this was when I was in my jewelry phase. Me and my mother-in-law collected all this together. Here's random, like, beads and, let's see, my candles and jar lids. Because you can make some really cute ornaments with jar lids or decoration. We got some baker's twine. We got markers, color pencils, because I also love to do adult coloring. My ultimate favorite thing to craft with is wood. So all of this is pretty much wood. The little sewing machine, really sweet friend of mine sent me that. I haven't been able to use it yet. I'm hoping soon. We got stencils and some records of mine. That's my son's. He's only allowed to do it with me because he likes to tear things up. And then these are like Easter stickers I got for like 10 cents last year, I think it was. And then I do have a couple IOD stamps. I don't have a lot of IOD because we all know that it's pricey. Heat transfers, more stencils. We got flowers. Here, I'll give you a little close-up here. We got some, those were from Amazon. Those were from Amazon. Like, I've been collecting for some time now. I like to wait until clearance hits. Because I try not to overspend. You know what I mean? Let's see, random things in there, crafty things. We got some fabric in there. All scrapbooky paper too. I used to do paper crafting a lot, but DIYing is definitely like my #1 passion. That's something I'm redoing for a friend. She asked if I mind. These are all stickers and stamp sets. Mindless crafting, look how cute. When I was really into paper crafting, I still am. Just not as much, but I still do love it. So, yeah. And then right here we have, look, more wood. If I make y'all dizzy, I'm sorry. See, there's my ink pads. Let's see what we got right here. Glue sticks and beads and buttons and moss. Pearls. I absolutely love pearls. I don't know why, but ever since I was a kid, I've been very drawn to them. So I even like to craft them. Okay, y'all. So this is the part my mom and husband said I need to show you and then talk about. Okay? No bad comments, please, because I deal with enough. So, here we go. Okay. Sorry, y'all. My phone cut off. Here we go. So, we have 3 boys with autism, okay? Our youngest has autism, but also mental illness. He gets violent daily, as of right now, daily. If you see in my videos, I got bruises and scars and cuts. That's from him. That's my newest one. And this one was from our middle son. When he was going through his violent stage, luckily he's finally calmed down. There's a meaning behind this, so don't worry. We've went through, this is, let's see, floor number 4 or 5. We keep fixing it and then they break it. This was where my son put his foot through it. We got one there started. Let's see, a mess. I literally will clean, and then at the end of the day, this is what it is. And I know a lot of moms and dads go through the same thing. Okay, so the couches, this is our 5th couch, I believe, because the other ones got destroyed. As you can see, this one's almost had it too. Our kiddos, well, our youngest mainly now, gets very destructive. So that is where he put his head through it. Yep, his head. Don't worry, he did not get harmed. If you don't know a lot about autistic kids, let me explain. They tend to be very strong, okay? And they don't feel pain like we would. So, yeah. I'm going to turn this around because I don't like having the camera on my face. Okay. So, here's the deal. For anybody, so like I said, we have 3 boys with autism, and here's what I have to say about this, okay? So, every day is a struggle, okay? Every single day. We deal with a lot, like I said, the violence and the screaming and the fits. We don't go out much because half the time we have to end up just leaving the store because of the fits. Our boys can't handle a lot of noise. And let me say, I am not ragging on my kids. I'm not saying I don't love my kids. They said I should tell you guys what I deal with, but still push myself to do this, to do my YouTube channel. And I started YouTube, I think, 3 years ago. I can't remember. And I kind of stopped because I was, you know, still going through a lot. And I gave up on myself. I gave up on my YouTube. And then one day, I was like, you know what? No, I gotta push. Because even though I need to be here home with my kids, it's 24/7 care. And I know that's with every parent, but what I'm saying is pretty much literally 24/7 is I'm dealing with things, okay? Because not only we've got, you know, a lot of aggression around here and fits, our kids don't sleep well. Sometimes we'll be up they'll get up at like 10 at night or 11 at night, you know, and yeah, I'm losing track of my mind because this is kind of a scary thing to do because I don't know how people are going to respond to what I'm telling you. But I guess this video is meant for those who are going through a lot like myself and who have the same dream of being a YouTuber and being a successful YouTuber, is to keep pushing, you know. Sometimes it takes me hours, and I'm not even exaggerating, to do one small DIY because I'm literally up, down all day. And our son has a problem with using the bathroom on the floor because of his mental illness, so I'm constantly cleaning and sanitizing. So it will take me hours sometimes to do one DIY. And I'm exhausted. But when I finish that DIY, I am super proud of myself because I didn't quit. And I'm not going to lie, I have quit a lot of things in my life because I just felt like I didn't have the strength anymore to do it. And I'm not going to lie about this either, that it is hard to do YouTube because sometimes I'm just so exhausted. But at the end of the day, I know what my dream is, and I finally am going to really strive for it. So, I've been putting the videos out as I can. I was like pushing them out, you know, like 3 a week or so. But to be honest, that was overdoing it for my body. But now I'm trying to at least do one a week. I think that's fair for myself. Because at the end of the day, no offense to anybody out there, I absolutely adore all my subscribers and I appreciate the kindness and the support. It's just, at the end of the day, it's about me and being healthy enough to be able to make videos for y'all, which I absolutely love. It just feels good to, you know, show you guys what I enjoy doing. I'm not a great speech maker, so I'm just going to leave it at this. If you're an autism mama or daddy or family, and it's okay for you to take care of your children, but also go for your dream. And I know there's some days where I don't want to get out of bed. And I have to stop myself from thinking that way and flip the script on myself. I'm like, no, you have a dream that you need to keep pushing for, you know? Because I have goals, just like I'm sure everybody has goals. And for once in my life, because I'm 38 years old, I'm not willing to give up on this one. Like I said, I've given up on a lot in my life. And I'm just not willing to give up on this one. And I hope nobody else will either. So if I can do this YouTube thing, you can do this YouTube thing. And just remember, because I'm still having to tell myself this, that you don't need to overdo it to get where you need to get. Does that make sense? I'm not saying don't put the work into it, because yes, you have to put work into it. I'm saying don't kill yourself just for YouTube and a dream. Do it at your pace, okay? Because at the end of the day, you wear yourself out, you're not having enough strength to keep pushing through, you know, for the success that you're looking for. So I think this is what my mom and husband wanted me to do, because they're like, you need to explain to them, you know, show them everything that you do and deal with on a daily basis, you know, because, yeah, we see how hard you work, but they don't. And I don't know if you guys want to know this or not, but here I am telling you, I'm giving it a go. I'm sorry that I don't have my face on. I'm just not good with actually talking with my face on there. Does that make sense? Like, you can see my hands all day long. It's just, I get super anxious when my face is being shown. So it's really, yeah. So I'm sorry about that. But I hope you guys will continue to watch my videos, to stay patient with me as I'm still dealing with a lot every day. I probably will until the day I die, you know, because we know for sure our youngest probably will never be on his own. And that's A-okay. We are both just fine with him always being here if he needs to. Even though they're all autistic and our youngest gets violent and does some of the things he does, you know, it's just, we're always striving to help them, to make them better people, to teach them kindness. And it's so interesting that I was just told, you know, by someone that my children, you know, she's never seen a child so polite. And that's one great thing, you know, that I'm more proud of that than YouTube. No offense to YouTube. It's just everything we go through, and then the fact that we're still instilling kindness and politeness to our children. I'm proud of that. And I'm proud of them for, you know, working towards that and showing people that they can be kind and they can be polite. It's just, it's not their fault. They got so many things going on in their head. And not even myself or my husband could ever understand what's going through their little minds. But let me tell you some good things, okay? Jackson is a gamer. That's his thing. If you don't know, a lot of autistic kids, for one, are very smart. And for two, they usually have one or two things that are like their go-to things, okay? Jackson, our oldest, is a gamer. He literally beats video games in a day. And our middle son, Chandler, is Lego crazy. He loves Legos and houses. And I'm telling you, one day he's going to be an amazing architect because he's amazing with Legos. And Grayson, our youngest, who has the autism along with mental, he is all about clothes. He changes his clothes probably maybe 30 plus times a day because that's his thing, his OCD. He's constantly just changing. So he's got outfits and costumes that he plays with. I could see him in fashion, you know what I mean? So even though we go through these struggles, we always try to look at the positives within them and tell them the positives within them. And yeah, so that's, yep. I don't know what else to say. I might get some backlash for this, I don't know. But that's okay if you do, you know, that's your opinion. But now y'all know that, you know, if I'm slow on a video or I have to cancel something, it's not because I'm being lazy or appreciative. It's just because I'm probably having a very rough day and I just gotta wait it out and then try again tomorrow. You know what I mean? So please just continue to be patient. Thank you for the kindness and support. I hope I only get positive comments with this video. I hope it helps somebody who might be going through what I'm going through. Stay strong, keep your head up, keep pushing. Because I feel like even though we're going through something, it can only get better, right? Eventually, it's going to get better. So, yeah. Thank you guys. I hope you guys have a Happy New Year. I have a video coming out tomorrow, probably in the afternoon, with some winter DIYs, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So thank you. I'm sorry this is such a weird video, but I hope it helps somebody. Okay? Bye, y'all.